How to download and install Badoo app on iPhone. First, unlock your phone and tap on the App Store icon from your home screen. Tap on the Source tab at the bottom right and type Badoo and hit search. Look for the Badoo dating chat meets with a heart icon. Tap the Get button or the cloud icon if you have downloaded it before. If asked, confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. The download will start. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap Open directly from the App Store or find it on your home screen. You can now create new account or log in using your email, phone, Google, or Facebook. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.